Okay, welcome to JCE Connect. In the previous class, we were discussing about the different types of joints. Uh, in that joints, we have studied some of the properties of the joints. Uh, they are, it should be watertight, it should be easy to construct, it should be economical, and the tree roots should not penetrate into the joints. This is very important. It should resist to acidic, alkaline, and gaseous actions of the sewage. It should be flexible so that due to slight settlements in sewer lines, it must not be get damaged. So the first one, that is a socket and a spigot joint. So it is nothing but socket and the spigot joint. So of course this joint is made mainly to join the cast iron part, very important. So it is mainly used to join the cast iron pipes and the concrete pipes below the diameter of 60 centimeter. In this type of joint, a cement mortar of proportions 1:1, 1:2 is inserted between the space of bell and spigot joint. We will discuss what is this bell and the spigot end. Just remember this, how exactly the cement mortar is inserted in between these two joints. In order to maintain the alignments of the sewers, gaskets of packing pieces may be placed. So the mortar is filled in the annular space. Whatever the space is there in between the two ends, the mortar is filled. That is C concrete to CM ratio, not reinforced. And the joint is finished by applying the cement mortar with an angle of 45° on the outer face as shown in the figure. Now come back here. So let's see, this is one pipe, see here. So pipe, this is the pipe section. Then this is also one pipe, this is also one pipe. So these two are joined, see here, this is one and this is two. These two are joints with the bell or spigot. This is whatever the shape you are observing here. This is one type socket they are placing in between these two. Of course, this is the center line of the pipe. This is also one other end. Then they will make, once it is filled, and it is filled with a mortar, cement mortar. This is cement mortar. So once then it is going to seal. This is one end, this is one end. It is going to seal with this cement. So this is one type of the joint. Next, the collar joint. In this type of joints, the ends of the sewers are plain. Of course, both are plain. What we are observing, both are plain. The ends of are placed near each other, and then the collar of slightly bigger diameter is placed over an end of the sewer. It's very important. So one end pipe it will be there. This is of same diameter. So this is one more. So this is one pipe, and this is second pipe. So these two ends are joined with the higher diameter collar. This we can call it as collar. So here slightly it will be of like this shape. Slightly it will be in this shape. It will be of this shape. Then both are joined with the collar. So then when they are joining the collars, what exactly they will do is that they will take one gum, and both ends they will they are going to seal it with the that gum. Um, Normally, they will use phenolics type of gum to seal it. The ends of the sewers are placed near each other, then the collar slightly bigger diameters. What I said is that whatever the bigger diameters is placed over the ends of the sewer, whatever the annual space between the collars and ends is filled with a cement mortar. These are used for larger sewers. You can see here how exactly using the collar. Sometimes even the PVC type of joints also they will use it. They will use the collars. If it is made up of cement, then cement type of collars they will use. Cement type collars they will use. So then this is the external welding, and this is also external welding. Usually if it is with a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle. So then one more type of joints, this is the mechanical joints. Some of the mechanical devices such as flanges, they will use with the ring and bolt systems. What we'll see that ring and bolt systems are used to join the ends of the sewers together. So such type of joint is generally used in metallic sewers such as cast iron and steel. So like it's very simple. Um, Suppose if you have this one is one more sewer is there, and here is also one more sewer is there. Assume that it is like a bigger. Then, so with the nut bolt systems, here also nut bolt system, and here are nut bolt systems. So with one flanges will be there. With that flange, they will use it and they will tight it so that it should not go out with the nut bolt and systems. This is how it is. You can see here. This is also one end. This is also one end. This is one end, and this is one more end. Here it will be sealed, and this is what the flange. So here you have nut and bolt systems. Sometimes in this case, the leakage chances are more if the nut bolt systems are not correct. So then we'll start with the testing of sewer lines. So some of the major tests used in the sewer lines are the first one, that is a smoke test. Why we use this? Some of the tests in the sewer lines. The major reason behind to test the sewer is that whether it is a leak proof or whether it is correct or not, whether the material is correct or not, whether it is a durable, that all the things can be done with the help of the smoke test. So this test is performed for the soil pipes, vent pipes laid above the ground. Very important. The test is conducted under the pressure of 2.5 meter of water. Very important. 2.5 meter of water to maintain 15 minutes after all trap reel have been filled with the water. The smoke is produced by burning of oil waste or tar paper in combustion with the chamber of smoke machine. See, if then wherever the leakage will be there, from there the smoke is going to come. For example, this is a pipeline. The smoke will be introduced. Suppose if you have a leakage in this point, so then smoke will be exerted. So that is how they are going to conduct this smoke test. So then this water test we'll see in the next class. Thank you.